In just a few steps, we'll walk through how to connect your refrigerator to the Frigidaire app. If you haven't already, download the Frigidaire app from the Google Play Store. If this is your first time using the app, select Sign Up to create an account. Create an account using a valid email address and password of at least 6 characters and 1 number. Once your account has been created, you will receive an email to verify your email address. After verifying your email address, return to the app and log in. To enable notifications when using your appliance, log in again. In the app, select your refrigerator from the images shown. Now you are ready to add your appliance. On your refrigerator's interface, press and hold the Connect Wi-Fi button for 5 seconds until the LED light and symbol begins to blink. It may take a few minutes for your refrigerator's Wi-Fi connection to start up. You will hear a chime to let you know you are connected. Go back to the app and follow the instructions for connecting your phone to your refrigerator. You will be prompted for permission to access your device's location. Select Allow while using app. Now the app will begin finding your appliance. In the app, select the fridge network that starts with @e_fridge. A check mark will appear when it's made a connection. The app will now search for your home Wi-Fi network. Select and sign in to your home Wi-Fi network. The Wi-Fi icon on your appliance will continue blinking. Your refrigerator should now be connected. Proceed with registering your appliance. You're now ready to start controlling your refrigerator remotely. If you're having some trouble connecting, here are a few tips to help. The app requires Android 8.0 or later. You'll need a secure, password-protected 2.4 or 5 GHz internet connection on a WPA/WPA2 compliant network. Ensure you are in front of your appliance when connecting. Always use a valid email address. For more information on the Frigidaire app, visit us online or call us.